Hey, good morning, lovely subscriber. I'm excited to see you here and I'm happy that you're working your way through all the tutorials, learning more tips and tricks, and getting yourself more effective and efficient in doing your daily tasks. This morning, I bring before you another productivity tool on iSenseHUB. You know, if you work in organizations like big organization or even your own entrepreneurial business, there are times that you receive documents or reports from people, right? Let's say you receive a 60-page document or a report, be it in PDF format or what's the name, Word document or whatever it might be, or even a TXT file. To sit down and read a 60-page document isn't going to be easy. As business owners, the world is moving very fast, right? And the only way you can stay on top of your task is to use smart tools and be more efficient and smart in things you do, right? So this tool I'm going to share with you is basically going to be your assistant. It reads your document for you and it helps you get the important content out of a whole document. So let's look at this tool. This tool is called AI File Chart. So it's a file chart and it can take content in the forms of PDF, Word, and TXT files. So let's go there. This is the document. Okay, this is the file I'm going to talk about today. Remember, we have all this, but this is the one we're talking about. AI File Chart. The reason why we name it file chart is the fact that once you upload the file, then you get to chat with the AI concerning the file, right? So let's say I have a document and I'm going to use the document we generated earlier with the AI article wizard. I saved that document in PDF format. So let me just drop it in here. It is this document. So I'm going to upload that document. AI is going to analyze the document as it is doing right now. And it has successfully analyzed the document so we can start a conversation. I haven't opened this document, right? So let's say I haven't opened it. I don't know anything about this document. I just don't have time to read it myself. And I want AI to help me do that. So let me ask a question. Okay. What is this document about? I don't know anything about documents, so I'm just asking AI, what is this document about? And right here, it is telling me what the document is about, right? This document provides information on the importance of search engine optimization in article writing and tips for creating relevant and engaging articles. Yeah, that is what it is. Remember when we wrote the document, when we used the, what's the name? The article wizard to generate an SEO optimized document. That is the same document I uploaded. And it's telling me exactly what the content is. Okay. So let me say, what are the key takeaways? I'm a busy person. I'm a business person. I don't have time to read all this document. And I could get my secretary to do this for me, right? But look at what AI is doing right now. Okay. You can have a human secretary reading this document, or you can have your secretary rather focus her time on implementing these things instead of just reading it. If AI can give you the summary, you see, this tool is not to take away anybody's job. This tool is here to help people be more efficient. So instead of you spending 4 hours reading a document, well, I can get AI to summarize this document for me. So the time that your secretary or your assistant is going to take to read this document, they can use that same time to start implementing the things that are here. So if these are the key takeaways, if these are the key action items, well, I better spend time starting to implement these action items instead of reading the document, right? That is how you become smart and efficient in your day-to-day task. Okay. So let me continue. I don't know anything. So is there a price tag? I don't know. So let's say, right, I'm just asking. I know it's not there, but there is no. Okay, I apologize for any confusion, but there is no specific mention of a price tag in the document. The document focuses on the importance of search engine optimization. Exactly. There is no price tag in the document, but I just asked that to see what it's going to say. Let me see something else that is that maybe I can ask about. Okay, yes. So let me find a question in the document, and then I can ask that question. All right. So, all right. So, um, how do I implement these recommendations? Right? We're getting right in. We don't have time to waste. So we're saying, how do I implement this recommendations? And if there are recommendations in the document and there are action steps, it's going to bring it out and tell me what to do. If there is none, it's going to tell me there is none. Yep, right here. To implement the recommendations mentioned in the content or in the document, here are some steps for you to follow. Okay, so we are getting right into action. We are saving time. We don't have time to waste on unnecessary things. I'm not saying it is unnecessary to read, but the same way you will have a secretary or someone to read your document and summarize it for you and send you the key action takeaways, well, you have AI doing the same thing for you, right? So instead of having people read documents, have them to implement the actions that needed to be taken. That is more effective. That is more efficient. The world is moving very fast. Businesses are moving very fast, and you cannot waste a second of your time. I hope you see what you can do with the AI file chat. Make use of it and be more effective. We are delivering on our promise of transforming people's productivity. We are delivering on our promise of being the ultimate user-friendly, all-in-one AI platform that provides real value for money. Okay, real value for money in the sense that you don't need to sign up with multiple platforms to get these tools individually, especially when you can have all of them at one place. We are delivering on our promise of helping you maximize your output whilst you're minimizing your efforts. Okay, you minimize the effort, you maximize the output with iSenseHUB. Thanks for being here. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.